So this is a assignment question only. So here in the question is given, consider the following 13 elements in the sorted array. So this is given 1, 2, 3, 13 elements is given, right? And you have to write it as the three question is the list all the keys of this array that will require the largest number of key comparison when search for the binary tree. Okay, then you have to find the average. Okay, average number of key comparison. Average number of comparison when made by binary search in a successful search. So this is the question is given, 13 elements is given and these three have to find its sub question. First you have to find list all the keys this array that will require the largest number of key comparison when search for the binary tree, and then average number of key comparison made by the binary search tree if the search element is successful, yeah, key element is found it, and average number of key comparison when this binary search is unsuccessful. Okay, so first what you have to do, whatever the element is given, this 3, 14, 27, 31 and so on. Okay, you have to construct the first binary tree. Okay, you have to construct the binary tree. So how will you write here? First what you do here, this 3, 14, 27 whatever given here, write in the ascending order. Okay, write in the ascending order. So how much element is given here? 3, 14, 27, 31. This is already in the ascending order. Already in the ascending order. If not there, then you have to convert in the ascending order. Okay, so this elements already sorted here, so you can write it here, this one. This is 3, 14, 27, 31, 39, 42, 55, 70, 74, 81, 85, 93 and 98, right? These are 13 elements is given. Okay, so you write the numbering also. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so what you have done here, so now see here, the how to find the binary search tree, how to construct, you have to find the algorithm is, see here, the algorithm first, if any elements is given, so you have to find the mid terms, right? Mid is equal to low plus high by 2. Okay, if this key element is equal to that mid terms, this mid terms, then you have to what, successful at the midpoint. Okay, we got the elements at the midpoint. Okay, otherwise if key elements is greater than a of mid, then you have to search in the right hand side, search in right hand side, because this is already in the ascending order. So you consider this mid is 42 and we are searching for 74, so always will be right hand side. Okay, else search in the left side. Okay, this is the algorithm for the binary search. So first we will construct this binary tree and then we will find for the successful and unsuccessful elements. Okay, understood till here? So first tell me here how much element is there? 0 to 12 element is there. So 0 plus 12, so 0 plus 12 by 2 is equal to how much? 6. Okay, 0 plus means lower is this and higher is this. So low plus high by 2 means you are taking the position, 0 position, this is 12th position, means totally 13 elements, we have started from 0. So 0 plus 12 by 2, that is 6, right? Check out the 6th position is what? This one, 55. So we will write like here position number 6, this is the position, this is the position, and we will write the, in the bracket you write it 55 is the value. Getting here? Now this is what left hand side it will go and right hand side it will go. So 55, once you divided this midterm, so this will be the left hand side, this is the left hand side, and this is right hand side, right? So now how many elements? This 55 already done, so you have to not include this 55 in any left or right. This is already done. So how much element is there here this side? 5 element is there. So you can write here 0 plus 5 by 2 is how much? 0 plus 5 by 2 is 2.5, and you are taking the floor value, so always take 2. Okay, the floor value means if any decimal number is given, 2.9 also given, so you should take 2 only. This is floor. 3.9 also given, yeah, 3.8 given here, so 3. 2.1 given, then also you should take 2 only. Okay, always integer values. Okay, less than integer value. So 0 plus 5 by 2 is 2.5, so you have to take second number, right? And right hand side how many element is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 6 element. So what I will write? So write it here, this side is 7 plus 12, 7 plus 12 by 2, position number 7 to 12 is how much? 12 plus 7, 19, 19 by 2 is how much? 19 by, sorry, 9.5, which is 9. Okay, so this position you write it here, this position is what? 2. Okay, and this position is 9, and bracket you write it the value of second and value of this 9. Value of second is how much? 27, right? 27. Understood this one? And value of 9 is 81, so here it will get 81. Any doubt till here? This whatever the value you got it here, you written here 2 and 9, and we are substituting the positions values. This 2 position value is what? 27 only, no? And this 9 position value is 81. Getting here? So I will delete this one, I will, otherwise will confuse. So now this one, this elements is divided into the another parts here. Okay, 1 minute. This position is divided into this part, and another is what? Right hand side, 9 from here. Getting here? So now this one again we will divide in the 2 parts. This and this. Binary tree means label will be equal. Okay, so this one and this one. 27 already we got it here. So now the left elements is this one, and right element is this one, right? And 55 is already included, so you have to not take. This is left, this is right. So here what to correct? 0 plus 1 by 2. So how much? 0, because 0.5 will get it here, no? 0. So 0, here it will come 3. Here tell me. 3 plus 5 by 4. 3 plus 5 by 2, which is 4, and that is what value is what? How much? 39. Value I am writing in the bracket. Okay, next tell me here this one. This one is what? Here divided 81 in the 2 parts, these 2 left hand side, and this 2 is what? Right hand side. So the 15 by 2 is 7.5, which is 7, and 7 is what? 70, right? And this side is what? 10 plus 12. How much? 22 by 2, 11. So 11 is what? 93. Getting here? So again I will delete it here. This now elements. This now elements is divided in the small part. Okay. So now this one is what? 0 here, and this value is what? 3. Left hand side value is not there here. Okay. So the left hand side value is not there. So you can write next. If you decompose this one here, this and this, everywhere is the label tree will be there. So you can draw it before only. Okay. So 0, 0 left hand side, no element is there, right? So there is what? No element, so you can write no. Right hand side, which is the elements was here? 0. Hmm. Right side, which element is there? This one. 14 only, because 27 is divided into what? Midterms is what? 3 only, no? Midterm is become 3, left hand side is not there, right hand side is 14 is there. So I can write only one element is there, that is what? 14. 39, 39 left hand side, what it came? 31, because 27th already is done. So that side will be 31, which is position 3, 31, right? And the right hand side of 39, 42, 42 is there, no? Fifth position 42. Similarly for the 70 is the midterm was there. Then left hand side was nothing here, because this 55 already we have taken. Right hand side for the 70, 74. It is 74. And this one 11 was the midterms here. Hmm. So this one was the 10th position, which is 85, and this is the 12th position with 98. Okay, so you got the tree here, and this is what? Not label tree. This is not complete binary tree, but this is the binary tree. Complete binary tree means all the labels should be fulfilled. Here this level and this level is not fulfilled, so this is not complete binary tree. This is binary tree but not complete. Okay, so we constructed. What MCQ? Constructed the tree. The first question is, list all the elements in this array that will require the largest number of key comparison when searched to be binary search tree. The complete become overall binary tree. If you write it here, this one you can write like this is 55, this is 27, this is 81, this is 3, this is 39, this is here 14, and this is 31 and 42. This 81 is also divided into two parts, so I will write it little far away. This is 81, this is divided into what? 70 and 93. This 70 is divided into one part only, 74 in the right hand side, and 93 is what? Here 85 and 98. Getting? This is the binary tree, which is not there. No means which is the elements is not present over there. First question here. First let me complete this one first. First let me complete this question which is given as this. List all the elements in the array that require the largest number of key comparison when search to be performed. List all the key of this array. Which element will take maximum number of comparison? Which having in the list? This one. Okay, so you can write it here. In the A answer you can write the key that will require maximum number of comparison. Okay, is which one? See here, this one we got it, no? So elements will be 14 and 1. This one 14, 31, and which one we got it in the list. Okay. The key that will require the maximum number of comparison is 14, 13, 14 and 31, which is the bottom is there in the 42, 74, 85, 98. Okay. And if you want to write in the index form, so you can write index is this one. Index is what? 1 only, no? This is the key element. And if you want to write index या position, so you can write this position is 1, 31 position is what? Third, and 42 position is fifth, right? And this 74 is 8, 85 is 10, and 98 is 12. This is the position. Any doubt in the first question? Now in the second question. Second question is given here. Average number of key comparison made by the binary search tree is a successful search in this array. So see here what you have to do here. I will write it here. This one I will delete it. This is the binary tree, we got it here. The comparison of, consider this one, control this one. Consider here, first one you are doing for the 6, position number 6. Hello. Second part, this one. Average number of key comparison made by the binary search in a successful search of this array. Okay. So what you have to do here, see here, successful search you have given here. The first you tell me here that for the second, there will be first comparison for key at what? First comparison, which one you can do it? See here, if you do the binary tree here, this one binary tree. First comparison we can do for the what? 6th position, right? This is the 6th position. It means 6 positions values. Which one is what you have written in the array here? This is 6th position. Will be first time will be search. Getting here? Similarly, second comparison will be 2 or 9. Second times if you search it, second successfully search will be second position elements or 9 position elements, because second position is 27 and this is 81. 9 position is 81, right? Similarly, you can write it here. You write in the notebook this tree and then you tell me, okay? Because after every time going up and down, it will be time consuming, okay? So first comparison of the key at position 6. Getting? Second comparison for the key at position 2 and 9. Third comparison for the key 0, you can 0, 4, 7, 0, 4, 7 and 11. And fourth comparison for the key will be how much? 1, 3, 5. Okay. So the average number of comparison, you can write it here. Average number of comparison for the successful search is equal to here. Here first comparison is there, right? And total element is how much? 13. So you can write it here 1 into 1 by 13 plus 2 into, how many elements is there? 2 into 2 by 13 plus 3 into, how many elements? 4. plus 4 times is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 6 into 13. So if you calculate these values, you will get it 14 by 13, and which is 3.15. Getting here? You understood, right? These values of how you got the successful, you understood. Got the 3.15, this one is understood. So now see here for the unsuccessful. Okay, unsuccessful, first tell me. First element in the array is what? This 3. This in array 3. 3 will compare with the 55, and that is, we know that 3 is less than. So binary search property is there. If any root is, any element value is there, so right hand side will be greater than root and left hand side will be less than root, right? 3 will, after comparison 55, this is unsuccessful, compare with the left hand side with 27, right? 27 and 3 will compare, which is again is what? Unsuccessful. So will so this 3 is left hand side, so you have to search in the left hand side. So now 3 and 3 will be successful, right? So for 3 how many comparison you have to do? 2 comparison, right? For similarly for the 14, this one will compare one time, this one will compare 2 times, 3 times, and this is what? 4 times. Means 3 unsuccessful. So unsuccessful you count it, not successful. Okay. So you can write it for the unsuccessful. The first element was what? 3. Hmm. Hmm. First element was 3, which is the compare unsuccessful. What happens? How much? 2. For the 3 we got it 2, right? 2 unsuccessful. Similarly, so you will find like this way better, because we have to find the average only. No. How many unsuccessful for the one successful is how much? 2 unsuccessful is how much? This is unsuccessful. 3 unsuccessful is how much? 2 unsuccessful, which one came first? 2 come, 3 we came, no? 3. Another, if you find, another also can come. 3 is there here. So 3 unsuccessful is how much? 14 we got it. Maybe some another elements also will be there here. And also find the average here. Like here, consider this is what 3 is, yeah, 2 6 something came here. So like here which one average you find? 1 into 1 by 13. Similarly you correct one compare unsuccessful, which one it will come? Consider you have to searching 27. So will be 81 also will be only one unsuccessful. So this is 27, this is 28. Means total number of elements counted. This is 2. Number of elements. Okay, so you write it here 1 into 2 by 4. How much element was there? 13, no? Plus. This one is 2 elements for the which one? For the 3, 4, 7 and 11. Right? 3 in 39, 70 and 93. 3, 39, 70 and how much was there? 93, right? So how many elements here? 4. So you can write it here 4, this 2 into 4 by 13. Plus similarly for 3 unsuccessful. This one it came here how much? 14, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So you can write it here. This total elements in this one is what? 6 here. So 6, this 3 into 6 by 14. So you can find it this one here. This is the unsuccessful search.